video blog, if you can call it such, about my recent trip to Calagos Island. And I'm not saying that you like it, but that's all. Saan natin matatagpuan ang Calagos Island? Well, ang Calagos Island matatagpuan natin ngayon sa province of Camarines Norte. So, according dito sa map, dito kami nag-land sa may Paracalye. Okay? Tapos, ang pupuntahan namin banda dito, which is asan na yun? There, Calagos Island. So, kung mapapansin nyo, medyo malayo siya. Obviously, hindi kayo naglalakad. So, we're going to take a boat. And, hopefully, hindi lumubog yung boat. There are two things na na-discover ko dun sa boat ride namin. Aside, of course, na medyo malayo siya. Around 1.5 yung travel time. There's two things. Number one, si Manong driver, paang ginagkamit mag-drive. Number two, natagpuan namin si Jack. At siya. Everything was doing quite great until we found ourselves lost in a weather that we weren't usually familiar with. Kasi pagpunta kami ng beach, we always knew that there's sun, then you frolic, and you get naked, you do it like that. So, nung pagdating namin doon, a few hours after namin kumain, medyo sumasama yung panahon. We didn't know that there was, I don't know, it's a storm signal. It's a signal number 1. But we weren't really aware since nung biyahe namin papunta sa Camarines Norte, it was quite clear. Maybe there were dark clouds in the sky, but basically that's it. So we didn't care, and we wanted to go to a trip na talagang adventure and experience. One thing na na-miss kong picturean or i-video the food. Kasi yung kasama naming travel agency, yung hinire namin to go with us. Yung kasama sa package is yung trip, yung tent, kasi walang well, may cottages dun sa place as you can see on the videos and the pictures. Pero hindi siya worth na tulugan. Kasi, ganyan, kung umuulan, hindi worth na kumiga doon. Kasi mababasa ang iyong puwet. So, ang ginawa namin is, kumuha nga kami ng travel, nag-hire kami ng travel help or agents, or I don't know what you call them, but they provided the food, the tents, the vehicle, and basically that's it. So, we had 4 meals, and yun yung na-miss kong picturean or i-video. Yung good food that they serve. Well, sabihin na lang natin ganito, hindi ko sila na-videohan at na-picturean kasi inubos na ng mga kasama ko. Well, natin. Good food is good. So actually, we have a small story behind the food kasi yung unang sa aming sinerve yung ulam pagdating sa amin. Ano yan? Hindi ko alam eh. Mukhang afritada. Titikman mo. Ayun. Lasa siyang kaldereta. So, kalderetang baka pala. It was good. And even our dinner, we had, I think, rare kung natikman to, it's sa nilaga. It's a sinigang using gabi. So, I've actually tasted the usual sinigang, and I tasted sampalok, and I tasted sayabas, but it was one of the first na natikman ko is gabi. Kasi yung sauce niya, yung sabaw niya, malagkit. Hindi siya malagkit. Malapot. There you go. Malapot. Parang champurado. So, yun nga. So, yung kinabukasan naman is while we had homemade longganisa and hotdog ni Manong. tas yung mga itlog niya. So, in lunchtime, well, we got back to Paracali kasi tapos na yung aming stay doon. So, it's Hipon and Benz. Yeah. Yeah, Benz. Yeah. Like Jack and the Benz pa. Calabas Island. Ito, tubig ngayon ng Pacific Ocean. Anat Trail. After right is where they shot signs with Mel Gibson. After side. Linta dito. So pag binaba ko yung paghahanap sa signal, hindi major spot ng signal. Tinayaan nila ng ganyan. Probably 2 years na nang start.